Before I end this video, I just need to tell you what happened about a week and a half ago. I was at this Tullgarns bridge and did some magnet fishing with my friend and her family. Her two kids wanted to try to fish, so we went to this dock where I've been a couple of times, and they used my magnet and we hooked onto something big, and we tried for a while to get it stuck to the magnet, and suddenly I felt a click, so I pulled it up, and I immediately saw that it was some kind of gun. And when I pulled it up, I saw that at first I thought it was some kind of semi-automatic gun, but then I took some pictures. I'm going to show you them over here, and I posted them on my Instagram, and then my brother told me that it looks like a machine gun. He said an M45. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I called the police. The police came, and I heard them talk a bit about different criminal gangs use older weapon. So they had a theory that it could be maybe some gang that used it and throw it in the water. I don't know. But that's my top 5 best find. It was really awesome and exciting. Unfortunately, I wasn't filming because I was with her family, but oh well. Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video. The sun is really bright today, so my eyes are watering. I'm sorry about that. I'm back at the Tullgarns bridge again because of my last find here, the machine gun. I will try again and see if there's something else over here. You never know. It was a really awesome find. I've never found anything like that before, so I'm excited. I hope maybe I can find something more. But yeah, it's a bit windy today, so I'm hoping that will not disturb too much. But yeah, I'm going to get started and see what else I find. I don't remember exactly where I was, but it was somewhere along this edge. So, okay, let's try. Let's see what this is. Some kind of, I don't know, pipe with some tape on and an old padlock. I got some kind of I don't know, band. I got this. I have no idea what it is. I think I stuck to something. I hope it will not come off. It's quite heavy. What could this be? I have no idea. mentioned before. Maybe something to some construction, or a boat, or like a bike. I don't know. What is this? It's like an old paintbrush. It's a wooden handle. Maybe I should paint something. This looks like an old key, actually, and a screw and a nail and, well, something. I have no idea. Just some, like, I don't know, metal pieces. Something. Yeah. Whatever this is. I don't know. Some metal piece, and I got this, like some wire or something. Some metal, thin metal plate and a screw. I got a big bolt. Let's see what this is. I don't know, something. I got 4 screws and a donut and some fishing gear. What is this? I have absolutely no idea. Well, I don't know. Let's see, I got something again. I don't know if it's just a pipe or if it's something else. And then I got, I didn't see this at all. It's like ammunition for some kind of gun, rifle. Let's see, I got something else. There's two on a band. I got another one. I just got 2 more, so I got 6 right now. Some kind of rope. I don't know if it's stuck to something. Yeah. It's stuck to something under this dock, so I don't know what it is. Yeah, well, I don't know. It's something, but it's stuck really hard. Yeah, no, I don't know what it is. I can't get it. Now I got 3 more. I got this. I don't really know what these are for, because I found a complete one a couple of times, so I don't really know if it's from like boats or what it could be. Feels like I may have got something. It feels a bit heavier. We'll see. Yeah, it's something. Some piece. Again. Yes. It's like a pipe or something. I felt the click. Got something again. Huh. I'm actually not sure what this is. On one side there's a rope, and on the other side there's a chain, and then it's like bent in the middle. What could that be used for? I don't know. I don't know what this is, if it's like an old nail or something. just got a key. I am not that good at brands, but it's like an Eagle or something. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you again in the next one. Bye.